Hello, in this presentation we will discuss the role of spreadsheets in data analytics and will provide a brief description of this data analytic tool. Specifically, we will define spreadsheets, we will discuss how they are used, identify the different components of a spreadsheet, and provide some simple examples of how to use spreadsheets to organize data. Generally speaking, a spreadsheet is a computer program that allows us to enter, store, and organize data in columns and rows and perform calculations. The most commonly used worksheets are Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. The two programs are very similar. Google Sheets is used online and can be shared with others who can make changes or see updates in real time. This feature can be a very useful tool when working in a team. A cell is the storage unit in a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Cells are the boxes in a spreadsheet and may contain data. A cell includes only one piece of information. On the slide, you have an image of a worksheet and one cell is highlighted in yellow. Notice that this cell only includes one piece of information, which is an individual's last name. Using the same example, we can see that data are organized in columns and rows. Columns are ordered by letters and rows are ordered by numbers. In this example, we have columns A, B, and C, and rows 1 through 8. The cell highlighted in yellow is cell B5 because it is in column B and in the 5th row. A column indicates a specific type of information, a measure or a feature, a characteristic of all individuals or entities in the data. Columns are also referred to as attributes or variables. It records the same type of information for all individuals, but the value of each cell in the column may actually vary from one individual to another. In this example, one of the columns is entitled Last Name, and it includes the last name of all individuals in our data file. While we collect the same type of information for everyone, the actual last name or the content of each cell will most likely vary from one individual to another. A row includes multiple pieces of information about one individual or entity and is often referred to as an observation. In our example, the rows indicate distinct individuals. In each row, we record all the different types of information that we have about that person or the specific value of each variable. In our case, these are the first name, the last name, and the age. An example of one observation are the values in the 5th row. However, a data set typically includes multiple observations. Of course, real data typically include more observations and variables than in our example. Data in spreadsheets can either be typed in or imported from other sources. Sometimes typing is necessary, like for instance, entering student grades in a grading system. Typing is, however, very much prone to errors, and frequent checks are necessary to make sure that the data are accurate. After data are typed or entered, we can format it, sort it, and organize it in different ways, and new variables can be calculated using formulae and functions. I will demonstrate how to perform these actions in a series of software tutorials.